what's up, funnel builders? Welcome back, and on this video, we'll talk about mastering ClickFunnels Page Editor. All right, so I'm gonna share with you some few tips and tricks that you can use and you can apply whenever you build funnels inside ClickFunnels Page Editor. All right, so let's go to the page editor just by clicking the edit page button. And again, guys, it's best if you open the page editor on a new tab so you can just go back and forth to your funnel dashboard and to your page editor. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to delete this, but we can start from scratch. And the first thing that you can do before you start building the funnel, before you start adding sections, rows, columns, and elements, go to settings, general, make sure the affiliate badge is turned off. It's hidden. Okay. Set it to hide. All right. And then save it. And this will pop up. Make sure that you change SEO metadata because if you don't, every time you'll save, this will pop up. Para hindi siya irritating, para hindi siya magpa-pop up every time na magsisave ka, make sure you change it. So let's just say na this is my sales page. And description, let's just say sales page, info, blah, blah, blah. You can also set the keywords for SEO purposes. And the author name, it could be your name, your company name, or whatever. Social image, ito yung lalabas pag sinare niyo yung URL, may lalabas na image. Let's say i-share niyo siya sa Facebook post. Pag nilagay niyo yung URL, may lalabas na thumbnail. So, dito yon. Kailangan niyo siyang palitan. Sorry. And let's save it. Okay, see? Pag pinalitan nyo na siya, whenever you save, hindi na siya lalabas. So, it's best na gawin nyo, go to General, Affiliate Batch, and then save. Lalabas agad yung SEO and palitan nyo siya agad para hindi na siya papabalik-balik. Okay? So, that's that. So, second thing is go to Settings, go to Typography, and iset nyo na yung content font and headline font na gagamitin nyo. Alright? So, kasi at this point, bago kayo mag-build ng funnel, alam nyo na yung mga font na gagamitin nyo, yung mga brand colors, yung mga style, alam nyo na yung saan nilalagay yung headline, mayroon na kayong idea sa mga wireframes, saan nilalagay yung headline, yung video, yung photos, and things like that. Okay? Alright, so let's just say na I want to use one of my favorite fonts, which is Montserrat. Montserrat. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, pero yun siya, Montserrat. So, I do this because if you don't change it dito sa settings, sa typography settings, every time na mag-a-add kayo ng font, let's just say, mag-a-add ako ng font. Every time na mag-a-add kayo ng font, kailangan nyo pa siyang palitan ng Montserrat. Pero, pag sinet up nyo siya dito, sa typography, every time na mag-a-add kayo ng paragraph or ng subheadline, automatic Montserrat na siya. Mag-add kayo ng headline, automatic Montserrat na siya. Pero pag hindi nyo to sinet up, ang magiging font niya is yung nakaset up na font, which is Open Sans ata. Alright, so another thing, guys, another tip. So let's just say na you don't have any idea kung anong content font or headline font yung gagamitin nyo. What you can do is you can go to themes, and meron na dito mga available na fonts, font style na bagay gamitin, right? You can use Montserrat and Roboto, you can use Railway and Goody Book Letter, Arvo and PT Sans, Fira Sans and Fahala 1. So let's just say we're going to use Great Crown and Oswald. So, as you can see, automatic mababago siya. And same with this one, automatic na bago siya, right? So, whenever I'll add headline, nakalagay dito ang headline font ko, Oswald. So, let's check. So, ang headline ko, content font. Pero, pag change mo siya sa headline, automatic mababago siya. So, ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Kaya, it's best na yun yung dalawang things na kailangan yung gawin agad before kayo mag-add ng sections, ng sections, row, columns, or elements. Okay? So, let's delete this na muna. Alright. And also, it's best na you're familiar with the elements inside the ClickFunnels page editor. Okay? So let's go to the elements. So we have different elements. We have the text elements, media elements, form, content, countdown, miscellaneous. Alam ko super basic to guys, but please bear with me kasi it's super important that you guys are familiar with all these elements, okay? This will help you build funnels really fast. All right, so we have the text element. We have the headline. Of course, it's super important because most pages should have a headline element. I mean, all of the pages that we have should have a headline element, right? And a subheadline. It will help your visitors understand more about what is happening on your page. Usually, ginagamit siya right after the headline or before the headline. Paragraph. Paragraph elements naman siya ginagamit for bulk sales copy. Okay? So, bullet list. Bullet list can be used to provide concise list of information to the page visitors. Let's say, list of benefits or list of features ng products or your services, right? So for media elements naman, we have the image, of course. If you want to add hero shots, if you want to add image of your product, gagamit kayo ng image element. For video element naman, if you want to add videos but make sure na yung videos nyo naka-add sa YouTube, sa Vimeo, or sa Wistia, otherwise hindi mo siya magagamit. If you can use script, you can use codes, right? But normally yung ginagamit is YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. And for video pop-up, same as video, it's just that if you scroll down, magpa-pop up siya. Audio player, hindi siya masyado nagagamit, but you can actually add MP3 on your MP3 files sa sales page nyo or whichever page that you have. Alright, so for the form elements, ginagamit naman siya, again, for if you want to get your customers' information like email address and things like that. So for the buttons, of course, nasa under form element siya. Yung inputs, for the inputs, guys, hold on. For the input, hold on. Inputs, ito yung name, address, email, phone number, state, city, address, shipping zip, VAT number. For custom type, ito yung mga, let's say, you want to capture website or other things na wala dito sa available na input types, okay? So another thing that we have is select box. All right, for select box, let's go to form select box. So if you want people to select, let's say, states, or let's say provinces, USA and Canada, if you want to set up custom options, let's say if you want them to select colors, so you need to put in red and then your text is red. Required if you want people to select an option under this select the input. If you need to add new option, let's say blue. Oops. Blue. So let's check it. Alright, so makita nyo, ito na siya. If you want them to select blue or red colors, yep, ganun siya. Alright, and another element is text area. Ito naman, text area naman if you want to capture like long, let's say, paragraph, right? Custom type, let's say, survey. If you want to capture paragraph, of course, you can't use yung email, phone number, right? Kasi sobrang iksi lang siya. So you need to use text area. So for the advanced form elements naman, we have SMS sign up, we have the survey, we have the shipping address and billing address, okay? For the countdown elements, we have the SMS sign. For the countdown elements, what we have here are countdown, minute timer, day timer, countdown timer. For the countdown timer, you can set whichever date you want to pick, the time zone, And there's also a redirect URL. Let's say the timer reaches 0. Do you want them to be directed to another page, or do you want to hide or show elements and tell them now, oops, you missed the discount and things like that? You can do that here. And the other thing is your minute timer. So minute timer, self-explanatory, minutes lang siya, hindi siya day timer, okay? So for the other one, day timer, so you can use which day, time. You can also redirect URL and show or hide elements. You can also auto-reset the timer. Pag nag-expire siya, ma-reset siya to whichever date or time ang nakaset up. So that's for the countdown timer. For the content blocks naman, we have icons. We have icons, image feature, navigation, FAQ. Yep, FAQ. We also have divider, progress bar, image list, pricing table. All right. So for miscellaneous, we have social share. Yep, social share. We have privacy notice. We have FB comments, text block, custom JSS. So if, let's say you need to add HTML codes or scripts, we can use your custom JavaScript. Okay, so those are the basic elements. So yung mga nabanggit kong elements, those are the elements that you can see on every pages. Okay, sa lahat ng pages ni ClickFunnels, makikita mo siya. You can see it on the order page, OTO page, downsell page, order confirmation page. But there are advanced or there are special elements that you can only find, let's say, on the order form page. Okay. We have advanced or special elements that you can only see inside the order page. That's why it's very important that you pick the right page. Okay, how to do that? So whenever you add a new step, let's say sales page, just an example, let's say a sales page. Whenever you add a new step, di ba, pipili kayo ng template, right? Pipili kayo if email opt-in or thank you, sales page pa siya, product launch page, order form. Make sure na you select the right page. So these are the pages, okay? If it's an order form page, only select order form. Don't pick sales page. Kasi otherwise, if order form pala yung kailangan yung gawin pero pinili nyo yung sales page, the special elements on the order form page will not show up sa sales page. So, hindi siya magiging order form page kasi it's a sales page. Okay? Same thing, if ang kailangan mong gawin is upsell page, don't select order form or sales page because merong mga elements na special lang siya under the upsell page. Same thing with the downsell page and the webinar page sa registration and sa sa registration page, especially sa membership. If you want to create a membership access page, make sure that you use either member as access, you make sure that you use both. Okay, member access and membership area. For the ClickPop, for the miscellaneous pages, there's nothing special about the miscellaneous pages. Pero if you're trying to set up a sales page, you can use sales page, product launch page, you can use the email opt-in, that's okay. But if it's a special page like the order form, OTO, or webinar registration page or membership, make sure that you select the right page. Okay, so let's go back to our order page. So I'll show you the advanced or the special elements. Those are the order elements. The credit card, Apple or Android Pay, order select. Yung order select natin, ito yung kung saan sila pipili ng product. If you have 3 products, everything will show up here. Order bump, I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar na with order bump. Order summary, ito naman yung summary ng mga in-order nila. Self-explanatory. Two-step order form. Ito yung two-step order form. Okay, if you don't want to use a two-step order form, you can use the normal order form wherein you get their email address, their name, and their credit card info. You need to add the credit card element. We also have liberate and educate. This is a new element, bago siyang update. Parang if you want to add um a donation for a specific charity, you can do that. We have the order in select with inventory. Same siya with the order select dito. It's just that when you select the order select with inventory, lalabas dito, let's say you only have 10 units for specific product. So lalabas, let's say nakabenta ka na lang 2, so lalabas doon 8 out of 2 out of 10 sold or 3 out of 10 sold. Parang bihira ko lang siya makitang ginagamit. Two-step inventory, two-step siya, pero yung order select niya, parang ganito. So, yun yung mga special elements, okay? So, let's check the other special elements. So, let's select naman, let's check naman the OTO page. So, for the OTO page, we also have a special element. Oh, for the OTO page, ang special naman sa OTO page is that yung buttons niya, meron nakalagay na no link, saka yung product na OTO. If you're gonna use the regular page, hindi lalabas sa button yung option na upsell, saka no link. Okay, same with the downsell page. Same lang sila. So, let's try naman yung order confirmation. Kasi sa order confirmation, it's also a special page. So, if you're creating an order form, make sure na you have an order confirmation page and not a thank you page. Ang special naman dito is yung confirmation. So, lalabas dito yung mga purchases nila. So, if they purchase 3 products, it will show up in here. Okay, so that's it for the elements and for the tricks that you can do inside the ClickFunnels editor, but we'll talk more about that on the next video. All right, thanks guys.